Now this is how you can change the Snapchat's app language on your iPhone. Let's get started. So naturally this applies to every single thing which is part of the Snapchat, so you can manage it in your iPhone's settings. Just make sure you come back to the main section, and at the bottom, first of all, you can change the language of your entire phone in the general and languages section, which would technically also apply to the Snapchat, but that's not ideal because you can also just choose it specifically for the app only. Just go to the bottom, find the apps menu, and from the list, select Snapchat app. It's all sorted alphabetically, so you should be able to find it relatively easily. And when you go to the WhatsApp settings menu, the language option is gonna be right there. So you can pick it. We have some suggested languages there, but if you don't find it, then your new language should be in the list below. Now, when I open up the Snapchat, you can see it's me right there, and I can just check out some different parts of the app or whatever, but you can see that the UI is now in German. So this is very likely the thing that you wanted to achieve, and as you could notice, it works for this app only, as everything else in my settings and essentially my whole phone is in English except for Snapchat, which I changed to German. So that's how it works. Let me know below if you have any additional questions. Subscribe for more tutorials, and hopefully we get to see each other in the future.